Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for POPCAT price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart for the bullish and bearish scenario, we have an A, B, C finish towards the upside, finishing with it a wave A in your blue count, and you're looking for a bigger A, B, and a C towards the upside. We are very close to the bottom here to finish whatever it is unfolding. We are inside our blue box, but of course before the time required. Therefore, probably, of course, still having a little bit more lower until, of course, we reach the perfect time and we move toward the upside. Several scenarios can be read inside as this wave towards the downside. It can be read of course, as an A, B, and a C, where you're still looking for one more wave 5 toward the upside because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave A, B, and a C for your wave B, and 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, of course, to finish your wave C exactly, and finishing with it your wave B in the blue count. In your bullish scenario, you have, of course, finished a W, X, and a Y. Your W is, of course, a zigzag, X for another zigzag, 1, 2, 3, also here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave A, B, and a C, as another zigzag for your wave Y. So triple zigzag, as you can see for this WXY, and of course you would like to see movement toward the upside, as you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a leading diagonal probably, which it can be as well, an ABC. We're gonna see it, of course, closer. However, if you are bullish, this is a wave 1, 2, and continuation toward the upside for a wave 3. Let's take a look on the 1-hour chart for this wave toward the downside, where we are looking, of course, for several scenarios where we said that, of course, it can be WXY or it can be finished ABC. Your finished ABC is your bearish scenario, still looking for one more low toward the downside, as we said, finishing 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for wave A, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your invalidation point is given as a 0.39 already, of course, since the last analysis, and we did not hit it yet, so meaning, of course, we might still be in a wave 5 toward the downside. In your bullish scenario, even if you did not hit the invalidation channel, of course, here we are looking probably, of course, for WXY, where we have said, of course, a zigzag for your W, as you can see, impulse, correction, impulse, zigzag, another flat for your wave X, and another zigzag toward the downside, of course, where you finished impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, correction 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing wave Y here, and you're looking, of course, for a leading diagonal toward the upside. Now, inside this leading diagonal, of course, we saw again a rejection, and of course a hold on inside the green box perfectly for a wave 2 in case this is your wave 1, 2, and continuation toward the upside. And yeah, so basically based on the price action right here, we are not really bullish. This is much more corrective than bullish. We are looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4. Your wave 4 interfered with your zone 1. And of course, if you are in a diagonal, this is an expanding diagonal, which is the most rare case scenario. 1% chance to be bullish here for a wave 1. Yeah, as an expanding diagonal, of course. And of course, without invalidation, we cannot really say that we are already bullish. And if you are still looking for one more wave toward the downside, this is already an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave 3. And then, of course, 4 and a 5 toward the downside, still looking, of course, as expected still before. So here we go. This, of course, has ended. Let's put just this one like this. And of course, if we are bullish, you would like to be, of course, bullish from here exactly. Yeah, so the scenarios right now are still, of course, between bullish and bearish, but higher possibility still a little bit for the bearish. You have big 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as well here to be reconsidered, of course, in one more low. So in general, in POPCAT, I would say the things are very close to be bullish in both case scenarios. It is all about time. As you can see, the perfect time is our blue box. And that means, of course, we might still range until, of course, we reach the perfect time to move toward the upside. and probably this final leg, which it might be of course an ending diagonal, for example, or some bigger range, and you still need of course 1 2 3 4 5 three waves down and continuation toward the upside, meaning we are not going directly very bullish for POPCAT. We have to wait for the range and for the perfect time to start of course moving for higher. However, don't forget that inside this blue zone is still a big opportunity for a massive bullish scenario that it might come in the future. That was it for POPCAT. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.